Hello everyone, guys. This is a new protector. Today, the third one, new protect. Pay attention, new protector only for this time. So just let me come to introduce this to one. And these chairs have thank you for your comments and thank you for storage and the point. Thank you for your comments. Today, if you send the inquiries and send the messages and following our stores, we will give you free samples. 100 US dollars value. Free simple. Only have 100 people. Pay attention. Only have today at least only have the 10 people have these values. Okay. The new protector and this one, you can see that have many functions. Let's introduce it one by one. First, this is a rocking chair and this table chair. The baby can stand at here and doing the dinners and other things. And the other function is for the work. You see, how did the baby to hanging on to the top? It needs adult our parents to hang out at here. No. It's only by children themselves. How did they do that? First, let me see in the hand. You see that has 1, 2, 3, 4 climbing bumps. Climbing bumps is that baby can climbing one by one up here and standing, and then knock it out by themselves. This is a very interesting function one. And function 2, let me see how they do. One hand, you see that this is just the clamping the pumps. Little baby clamping one by one, and then standing at here. This is another hand. Let me see the third part of the rocking chair. Let me see that. Also, at this part of baby can hanging on and at the rocking chair and standing at here. So perfect design, so perfect. And especially designs. And if you are baby, thank you for your comments. We have free simple now. Okay, perfect. So if your baby's legs also can hang on, because as a small baby lying at here, let me see that. This is small baby. Yeah, this is small baby. Yeah, here. What his leg will be? His leg can hang at here, and then his head is one by one. This is so different. If your baby was so big for the word, also we can remove that. It's for the word. This word we can remove that and in another hand. Okay. So perfectly designed and the small babies hanging up here and doing the work as they want. So just send the inquiries for the new protect. Also, if you have your own suggestions for the protect, send us messages. We give you free sample and you give me suggestions. Let's exchange it. Okay. So this is the new protector 3. Okay, let's remove that. Protector 3. Another new protector, let me see that.